this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am going to use this cut file. I think it's gorgeous. It's matched up with Simple Stories, The Simple Life. I am going in with these two lovely photos of my husband and I. Yes, you got that smirk. Look, take a picture, screenshot it, put it on the calendar. There's a smirk, and then there's a smirk over there. I am going to use this collection, as you guys know that this is it. I have these many photos left yet of just my husband and I that I'm working through on getting photos done. Now, I will tell you in the voiceover and all of that stuff that it has been a long time since I've done a process video, but this year it's been crazy with state testing and stuff. So I have got gracious help from my design teams, which Confessions is one of them. They understand teaching can be a little bit crazy during this time. So I am back. This should have went up yesterday, which would have been on the 5th. However, I'm working on it on the 6th, and hopefully we'll be able to get it up tonight or tomorrow on the channel. But you will see it definitely on Confessions Instagram if you want to see a closer look of all of the goodies that will be going with this. Now, it is also National Scrapbooking Weekend, so she also has some stuff going on at her shop. I will link all that information down below, and watch for the dates. Remember, our dates are just a tad bit different than hers, so make sure you watch the dates that she has. But she does have a percentage off of all of her cut files, including this one. So make sure you go check it out. I hope that this is... Let's see where this goes, because I'm not sure how I want to do this yet. Okay, now that I have officially, actually done this layout, it really turned out really well. I wasn't quite sure how I wanted it to go, because my thought process was, with the globe being the way it is, that I wanted it to be kind of around the world, because Josh and I have done a lot of around the world stuff because of traveling with, being stationed overseas and just traveling for the military, and then me doing trips and stuff, flying on airports doesn't bother me, that kind of thing, that I wasn't quite sure how I was going to make this work. So I started out with, I'm going to do my outlining because I absolutely love using tumbled glass as a background to, so I'm kind of glad that I like doing the distressed, edgy look underneath, having that shadow, because tumbled glass really is a good contrast to this particular collection from Simple Stories. Now, I am using this collection, as I was stating in the other part of the front part of this video of the introduction, that I've got quite a bit left to do, in a sense, for my photos, but I have not a lot of product, so I've really got to watch what I do and how many photos I am putting on there, and what my layouts are going to be. And cut files are really good about having it as a major embellishment. And what I mean by that is that you don't really want to cover up your embellishment, which is the cut file. That's your focal point. So that works out well for me, because then it cuts back on me using all of my embellishments, because I am an embellishment heavy type person for scrapbooking. I did get out my paint. That is linked down below as well in the description of everything else that is going on. Now, this is going up the same day I did this video and did the voiceover. So, International Scrapbooking, National Scrapbooking Day is going on, or the weekend, I should say. Today is that Saturday, but it is going on. And Virginia does have a sale going on, so that will be all linked down below. And I'm going to state family love. That is what I am going to do for my title, and I thought that it worked out well for that. Now, I have been super busy at school, at work, And I know you guys are around and you guys completely understand that it's the end of the school year for me and all of this. However, they did a lot of changes on how we are going to handle state testing and the end of year testing for the district. So instead of just having like 3 days, my kids only tested 3 days, but we had to treat that we were testing every day for like 3 weeks straight. I finally got a breath on Wednesday. I was that exhausted, y'all. Like, I've never said I'm teacher tired. I was teacher tired after that. So I kind of really didn't able to do like the layouts I wanted to. I would get home and I'm like, I didn't even do my 15 minutes, y'all. Not even my 15 minutes of editing. Not even setting up a layout. None of it. That's how I can tell you I was teacher tired. So I was like, nope, this weekend I'm going to get in here and I'm going to do it. So here I am. I absolutely love how this one turns out. I love that I used the black and white embellishment packets to kind of offset a little bit in this layout, just to give it just a little bit of something. And then I do add the 3 dots to, like the enamel dots, or the brads, I should say, to this collection, to my flowers. And I just love how the green is like the I guess the water, if you want to say, in the globe, and then the brown is the land. And then, you know, the flowers, of tucking the flowers in between, just works out perfectly, I feel. I just love how I just truly love how it works. It's just perfect. So make sure you go check out everything down below. Check out the sale if you are following this on that weekend. The cut file is called Beautiful Things, Beautiful Something. And as I'm looking at it and I'm finishing up here, I can let you guys know. But yeah, I will, like I said, I'll link everything down below. I totally forgot what it is called. That has gone past me. I know it's beautiful. But I am just finishing up my little embellishments everywhere on this. I wanted to make sure that it all got all nice and beautiful world. That is what it's called. Good Lord. Miranda, get yourself together here. But I'm just putting in the glue on everything, on all of my little embellishments, popping up little spots here and there if I wanted to. Like I said, I really love how this turned out. I know that certain spots I was like kind of hesitant of putting things, but I'm like, nope, it's working. And I'm just going to keep going. So I just love how this turns out. It's just perfect. And yes, Josh has a smirk on his face, and that's even better yet, and I love that about it. The butterflies just match up really well for how I wanted this layout to turn out. I just love how it just all came together. But make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I'm a design team person, along with just regular collaborations, all of that fun stuff. Make sure you like and subscribe. I am trying to get to 4,000 subscribers, and I am definitely on my way. The still shots are coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.